On behalf of River City and the Recognition Committee, we want to congratulate you on winning the 2014 Excellence Award for the first quarter. Next Wednesday, May 7th, we want to invite you and maybe that guy to the steakhouse at 12 p.m. to celebrate winning the award. And Floyd is the one who nominated you, so I'm going to turn the floor over to Floyd.
I'd just like to say, Colleen, there's a song that says, when you smile, the whole world smiles at you. And that is Colleen. Colleen is a great person. She has a great personality that embodies trust and integrity. She's someone who's not afraid to share her wisdom with others. She does a great job in that department, training our new hires. And she's a person that can go on the floor without management falling behind her. And she does a great job. And I just wanted you to know that we in the slide department, we think highly of you. And continue to grow up. Yeah, table games too.
Wait, make it a last minute decision. Don't. A game day decision, just fine.
Chris, you want to get a picture?
Okay,
Ron, get a picture.
Steve.
Yes, Steve. Floyd.
Hold it that way.
I'll sit next to Ron.
You're going to have to sing now.
Oh, yeah, what's our song?
All right, again, Connie, congratulations.